Ngayong umaga naman maswerte tayo dahil meron tayong grupo ng mga batang negosyante na makakausap tungkol sa kanila sa pagtulong sa edukasyon sa ating bansa. Kaya ngayong umaga, let us all welcome Mr. Steve T. Cangco, ang President ng JCI Manila, si Mr. Lec Toribio, ang Chairman ng JCI Manila, at si Sean C., ang member ng JCI Manila. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Yes. First of all, probably a lot of our viewers aren't really aware of what JCI is, so maybe you could give us a background about JCI.
Ang JCI, or it stands for Junior Chamber International. Kami ang JCI Manila. It was founded here in the Philippines since 1947.
Alright.
So kami po ay isang leadership development organization na ang mission namin is to provide development opportunities that empower young people to create positive change.
Okay. And I understand ang positive change na ginagawa niyo ngayon is through education and through this Watch and Learn program that you have.
Yes, so meron kaming ginawang proyekto na tawag namin is Project Watch and Learn, na kung saan kami ay nagbigay ng tumulong sa isang beneficiary namin. Ito ang Timoteo Paez Elementary, where nag-donate kami sa kanila ng 12 na 32 inches na LED TV plus power speakers and educational materials.
Okay. And how did you raise the funds, kumbaga, para ma-help nga itong Timoteo Paez Elementary School?
We held a conference called SEO Summit, and we held it dun sa Alpha Land Mall, Southgate. Itong conference na to ay para sa mga SEO professionals, digital marketers. And pumunta sila, bumili ng ticket, may mga sponsors din, and yung funds na na-raise namin dun, yun po yung ginamit namin.
Okay.
Pambili.
I like to ask about JCI. Is this really something na kumbaga matagal nyo nang ginagawa, like helping out like different sectors in our country? Or is this something na parang kumbaga we're pioneering it pa lang na ginagawa natin to help out the schools and the education sector?
Actually, ang JCI Manila is involved in several community development projects. So this project, yung Project Watch and Learn, is only one of the projects na we do. So we have other programs such as we adopted a community in Smoky Mountain. Meron kaming ginawang baseball field doon.
Okay.
Meron kaming pharmacy na tinayo doon. So other projects we have include yung mga relief operations for the, let's say, Typhoon
Victims,
Yolanda,
yes.
and then rebuilding in Tacloban. So yun yung mga projects na ginagawa. Then aside from the community development, meron kaming projects involved related to business. So ito yung mga boot camps involving different schools.
Yes.
So
Alright. And to be a member of JCI, what are the requirements? Siyempre, I'm sure a lot of people are interested in your advocacy, and siyempre some of them want to be part of your group kasi nakita naman natin na talagang you have a positive cause na rin for our country.
So if for those who want to join JCI Manila, they have to look for a sponsor who will vouch for them. So through that process, i-brief sila kung ano yung mga requirements para maging member. So this includes doing a project that will help the community.
And like in terms of this Watch and Learn, now we have yung Timoteo Paez Elementary School. What are the other schools that we're targeting to be helped out rin, or to be given like the supplies and the stuff that you gave?
Yes, actually, yung Timoteo Paez Elementary School is the pioneer. So yan yung initial naming project sa kanila. And then we're looking forward na i-replicate pa to sa iba pang school, especially sa Manila at sa ibang part ng Philippines. Napakaganda kasi yung ginagawa namin to ay gusto na magbigay ng isang positibong pagbabago. Lalo na i-encourage namin yung mga kabataan na pumasok, mag-aaral mabuti.
Yes.
So itong educational TV, with the help of Knowledge Channel, kaya magandang mga laman ng mga programang binibigay namin. Kasi dito sa Knowledge Channel, kasama na yung programa ng K-12 program.
Alright, I see. Now, siguro baka meron na lang tayo message para sa ating mga viewers, from you guys. Like, if they want to help out your cause as well, how do they contact you guys and support your Watch and Learn program?
Okay, so sa mga nanonood ngayon, we would like to invite everyone to visit our website, which is www.jcimanila.org. So doon sa website na yun, makikita nila yung iba't ibang mga proyekto, mga programs na ginagawa natin. At from there, pwede silang pumili kung saang proyekto sila gusto tumulong.
Okay. A message from you guys?
So ginagawa namin to, tulong at gusto magbigay ng positibo. Kaya sa mga kabataan na huwag niyong sayangin yung mga pagkakataong binibigay sa inyo at pangalagaan niyo yung pagiging kabataan niyo kasi alam ko tayo talagang magiging magandang kinabukasan ng ating bayan.
Tsaka next year, hopefully magawa ulit namin yung project and yung SEO Summit. So malaking suporta sa amin pag makaka-attend kayo doon at makakatulong mag-raise ng fund para matuloy namin tong project po na to.
Alright, yan, ngayong umaga nga nakasama natin si Mr. Steve Ticangco, ang president ng JCI Manila, si Lec Toribio, ang chairman ng JCI Manila, at si Sean C, ang member ng JCI. Maraming salamat sa inyong panahon ngayong umaga at syempre, good luck with your cause and congratulations.